Hello everyone, got a 2017 Volkswagen Passat, and today I'll be replacing air filters. The person who owns this car was telling me that they have a problem with the smell when they turn the fan on. The smell, something kind of foul. So first thing I think of when I hear a complaint like that is the cabin air filter. So I'll be replacing that cabin air filter. It's a pretty easy job to replace. There's two screws that you have to undo. There's one, and the second one is right here. This, by the way, this car has about 60,000 miles. So you undo those two screws and pull this panel back. That gives access to the cabin air filter. So to remove that, you just gotta slide this panel down and pull the filter out. And this thing is, it's pretty bad. It's got leaves and all kinds of stuff in it. So I'll be replacing that. Okay, so I've got the new filter here, and you can see the difference. Likely that's where the smell is. I think there's some stuff growing in this one. But I'm going to line the tabs in this piece. So it's like this. Tabs are in there. And then I'm just going to put it in with this angle facing outward, away from the passenger. Let's see if we can get in here. So, by the way, I'm working on the passenger side of the vehicle. There we go. Oh, just should slide in there. Yep, it slides in there. Okay, now once you get it up in there, you just slide this toward the driver's side. So this gate just slides back and forth like that. So you slide it toward the driver's side and lock it in. Okay. So that's that. Now pull this piece back and reattach the two screws.